Node, the point of zero displacement. Null vector, a vector of magnitude 0 without any specific direction. Orbital velocity, the tangential velocity to put a satellite in orbit around the Earth. Oscillatory motion, to and fro motion of a body about its mean position. Phase, a quantity which indicates the state and direction of motion of a vibrating particle. Pitch, the characteristics of sound by which a shrill sound can be distinguished from a grave one. Plane wavefront, a disturbance lying in a plane surface. Polarization, the orientation of vibration along a particular direction. Position vector, a vector that describes the location of a point. Potential energy, energy possessed by a body due to its position. Power, the rate of doing work. Periodic motion, the motion which repeats itself after equal intervals of time. Progressive wave, the wave which transfers energy away from the source. Projectile, an object moving under the action of gravity and moving horizontally at the same time. Radar speed trap, an instrument used to detect the speed of moving objects on the basis of Doppler shift. Random error, error due to fluctuations in the measured quantity. Range of a projectile, the horizontal distance from the point where the projectile is launched to the point it returns to its launching height. Rarefaction, the region of minimum density. Rarer medium, the medium which has relatively less density. Rays, radial lines leaving the point source in all directions. Redshift, the shift in the wavelength of light from a star towards longer wavelength region. Resolving power, the ability of an instrument to reveal the minor details of the object under examination. Resonance, a specific response of vibrating system to a periodic force acting with the natural period of the system. Resultant vector, the sum vector of two or more vectors. Root mean square velocity, square root of the average of the square of molecular velocities. Restoring force, the force that brings the body back to its equilibrium position. Rotational equilibrium, a body having zero angular acceleration.